Picture.
Invasion at nakita ko. So, there.
Oh, okay. Right.
Ilang months na sinute yan, nandun kayo lahat sa location.
Ay, mahaba sila, pero yung role ko siguro, 7-8 days. Kasi ang lalaki ng ang lalayo ng Pilipinas, lalayo ng location.
Sobrang nostalgic.
Sobra, kasi enjoy kami nung gera-gera talaga. Enjoy. Kami lahat nag-enjoy.
Na-miss mo yung mga ganitong klaseng pelikula na wala na eh.
True.
Oo.
Yung talagang challenge sa challenge.
Big. Alam mo, 3 generations.
Type kayo nakahiga kayo nila.
Type ko rin.
Type kayo, di ba? Satel. Type ko talaga yung satel lang yun.
Di ba?
Pwede ba Pwede ba kita liyunin?
Pwede ba kitang tignan? Di ba?
Pero ikaw naman, hindi ka naman nailang na ikaw ang katrabaho mo yung uncle mo.
Si Boyat ang nailang. Kaya yung
sa
eksenang yun,
kalingan.
inulit yun. Kasi parang sabi ni Tito Ed, medyo awkward. Kasi si Boyat ang nailang. Huwag kang nailang, wala akong pamangkin dito.
Tama. Professional.
So that was the second take, which was better.
I'm so glad you came to watch.
Of course.
Sorry, after the realism of the entire movie in general, yung Rebels, bakit parang biglang may 3-part harmony sa campo? You know, like right after you appeared on screen.
Yeah, it was like a lead into the little romance. That,
Yeah, but why 3-part harmony in like the middle of the prairie?
yeah, and then you overhear people making love.
Yeah. Well, you weren't quite sure. It was just a woman.
Yeah, it was just like a woman moaning. I think si Diwata also nainggit eh.
Yeah.
Parang, oy, bakit? Sila lang ba? Kaya diba, nung gumanon, parang, di ba? Parang gumanon ako kay Boy at sandali. Ay, parang sila lang.
Siya type yung
Sila lang. Sila lang ba? Teka. Parang ganun yun eh.
Can you comment on the symbolism? You know, like early on, you know, when si Eddie Garcia, di ba nahanap na si Isabel sa prairie, tapos he's wearing red, he's like this Hispanic looking man in like shiny boots and he's, you know, about to rape her. Right? Was there symbolism? Na parang siya yung pinagbayan, tapos he's like a conquistador.
It's open to everybody's interpretation. Whatever Tito Ed wanted to, whatever message he, that's so I know. Like some people could take it as our country being raped. Is that what you're trying to drive
Yeah,
at?
I guess.
That's what you're trying to drive at. See, well, that's another interpretation.
Ma'am, your thoughts lang sa parangal ng FDCP kay Direk Eddie po.
Walang katapusang pasasalamat kay Direk Joey Javier Reyes for doing this. Kasi talaga, mga pelikulang ipapalabas dito are Philippines. Talagang that treasure trove. Talagang Philippine treasure natin. I'm proud that I was a part. I'm really grateful and blessed that I was a part of what I would call the golden years
Of Philippine movie.
Of film. Philippine cinema. Yung mga ano yun, di ba? Mga late 70s.
to
Oh, late
80s. na ano.
70s hanggang early 80s.
Oo, yeah.
This one was shot in 1980.
This
This was the biggest Bangkok. This was the biggest
Most
ever at the
expensive.
time. The most expensive. In 1980, pag may budget kang ganito na 5 million, sobrang laki. A budget unheard of at the time.
that was the total budget.
Yes. And this was in 1980. 5 million now is nothing, di ba?
Yeah.
Pero then, talagang, oh, talaga?
Napaka-ano pa nun.
Laki.
Ka-all-star. Phil Salvador and
Sila the emperor, sila Felipe Pascual.
wala nang kopya yun.
Wala na. Yun nga ang sinasabi.
Sexy mo, no? Kay ni Epe.
Yun kayo pinagdalawa. Oo.
Di ba?
Diba?
Why didn't they touch on why si Charo Santos at saka si FPJ, what happened to their relationship? You know, like it was so sudden. Did she die?
Oh, she died. Sa cemetery scene.
Ay, if you notice, kasi yung mga love scenes and the death scenes, hindi ino-over-dramatize
Yes.
ni Tito Eddie. It's just not his style. Even
It's an
here.
eye blink.
Oo, at saka, nung hindi nag-propose yung Fernando
Oo.
si Fernando po kay
Yes.
Charo, gumanon
Yossi
lang,
lang.
diba?
Oo, kinuha yung Yossi.
Para hindi na yung
How
lagkit-lagkit
very
na talagang,
male, though.
Oo.
yung talagang, wow, mahal kita. Ay, walang ganun na.
Pero
Cut
hindi
na
pa
yun,
namatay
understood.
hindi pa namatay si Charo when he confessed that he was about to leave her for the mistress.
Ay, hindi. Kaya nga umiiyak siya. Buhay pa
Oo.
naman.
Pero
Oo.
bakit,
I think she
nangyari sa
knew.
relationship nila?
Oo.
Mukhang
She
healthy yung relationship nila. She was, you know, more than a
I
man.
think she's
and-
intelligent enough to know. Kasi, ano siya hindi naman siya, there were wife duties that she couldn't do. And I think she knew that.
Napaiyak ka sa panonood?
And in fact, nung sinabi ni Daniel na kailangan tayo mag-usap,
alam mo
niya
na.
kung anong sasabihin. Yung talikod na alam na niya.
Pero napaiyak ka pa ba sa mga eksena? Ano yung may tumama talaga sa'yo?
Every time ang tumatama talaga sa akin yung iyak ni Jay Ilagan. Lilian! Ang galing talaga ni Jay sa concert. Walang binawas. Talagang si Jay talagang, oh my God. I kept telling my husband, watch this. Tignan mo yung simpleng eksena. Pag gumanon lang si Jay, isang ganun lang sa shoulder na ano. Kita mo yung sakit sa mata niya. Sakit. Tignan mo si Jay, simple eksena.
When was the last time you watched this movie?
I watched this movie a couple of years ago nung ni-remaster nila to. Then, they showed it at Power Plants, Rockwell. Di ba? Ni-remaster to nila, Leo Katipak, di ba? Sa ABS-CBN Restoration.
And you had a starring role with Jay, with Desbo ang role mo. Mananayaw mo.
Ano yun? Soltero.
Pio de Castro.
Pio de Castro. Ano din yun? ECP.
Oo, na ano rin yun. I think na-restore din yun.
Na-restore din. Ano yun kay Noriega ba na ano yun? That was a Palangka Awardee piece.
Kahit ba yung impression ng John Boy doon? Edukada.
Oo, hindi yung typical tomboy na pare.
Babae ka.
Tsaka ano siya? She was the one who brought in the computers dun sa bangko. Di ba? Ganun ka. Ano yung babae. Ang ganda.
Even your role.
Yeah. Big.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
What can you say about the role of women in Filipino film? Like, do you feel it's true to form, or it's accurate, or you were
I'm sorry?
allowed to be the role of a Filipino woman then and now? Perhaps are you allowed to be fully, yourself?
You know what?
or-
I don't want to delve into that really because as an actor, you just do what you're told to do. I am not, it's not my place to be political about stuff. It's just my, it's just, my obligation is just to deliver what the director expects of me as that character. It's not my place.
Napaka-memorable din naman ng Working Girls mo, ni Bernal, di ba?
Isa pa rin. So that's
Oo.
that's another
Na
intelligent woman pero
Oo.
battered.
Yes.
See, you can't. You can't really fight for. You can't be an actor and then at the same time fight for what you feel. If you want to be an actor, be professional and deliver whatever is expected of you. I think it will be very difficult to just keep fighting for this role. Oh, this doesn't say much about women, and a lot of films, I will admit, at one phase of my life, syempre, you're still trying to establish yourself as an actor. I think that's more of the writers to represent or to make a strong woman that will represent the new Filipina and stuff like that. Mine is just to deliver.
But I'm sure there's collaboration.
Not a lot of, if you have, there are directors and outfits that will be collaborative. But if you're working with an Eddie Romero and an Ismael Bernardo or Lino Broca,
Or Marilu Diaz.
Or Marilu Diaz, parang, sige na. Sige na. Yan na. Sige na. Ikaw na. Siyempre, di ba?
Yes. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.